Hello students, today we are going to see so that 7 power n plus 2 plus 8 power 2n plus 1 is a divisible by 57 by using principle of mathematical induction method in discrete mathematics. Okay, so what is given? The given statement we consider P of n equal to 7n plus 2 plus 8 power 2n plus 1 is divisible by 57 by using mathematical principle of induction method. Okay, so how to solve this problem? So we have three steps are there. Step number one. What is step number one? To prove that P of 1 is true. Okay, so how to prove P of 1 is true? We consider the given equation is 1. Okay, so substitute n equal to 1 in equation number. So we get if n equal to 1 in the given equation, we get what? P of 1. P of 1 equal to 7 power 3 plus 8 power 3. What is 7 power 3? 7 power 3 is nothing but 343. Okay, 8 power nothing but 512. If we add these two numbers, we get 855. Okay, so we need to verify this number is divisible by 57 or not. Okay, so for example, 55, 57. How many? 15 times. 15 into 57, you get 855. Remainder value is 0. Once we get remainder value is 0, therefore 8, that number is divisible by 57 only. So therefore, what? P of 1 equal to 855 is divisible by 57 only. Therefore, P of n, P of n is what? P of n for n equal to 1. What is step number 1? To prove P of 1 is true or not. Yes. If we substitute n equal to 1, we get P of 1 equal to 855. 855 is divisible by 57 only. Therefore, P of n is true for n equal to 1. So what is step number 2? We assume that k is true. Okay, so P of k is, which means what? P of k can be written as what? 7 power k plus 2. Okay, plus 8 power 2k plus 1 up to divisible by 57 only. We only assume P of k is true. Okay. So I'm going to consider this number. I'm going to consider 7 power k plus 2 plus 8 power 2k plus 1 equal to, I'm going to consider 57 b. Why? Because in step number 3, if we substitute n equal to k plus 1, we don't know whether a final answer is divisible by 57 or not. So that our safer side, whatever you get answer, that answer into you multiply, we get multiple of 57 only. Okay, that's why we consider 57 into d, where d belongs to what? Set of all natural number. You consider d equal to any number. So you consider this is equation number 2. What is step number 3? Step number 3, prove that what? Prove that k plus 1 is true. How to prove p of k plus 1 is true? Substitute n equal to what? K plus 1 in equal 1. So we get, if we substitute n equal to k plus 1 in the given equation, we get p of k plus 1, that is equal to 7 power what? K plus 1 plus 2. Okay, plus 8 uh, k plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so now we simplify this. So we can write the 7 power k plus 3. Okay, we can write 8 power 2k plus 2 plus 1. Okay, so we can write this is 7 power k plus 3 plus 8 power 2k plus 3. Okay, now we will verify this equation is divisible by 57 or not. Okay, so from equation 2, I'm going to write 7 power k can be written as 57b minus 8 power plus 1. Okay, I'm going to substitute 7 power k plus 1, k plus 2 can be written as this term. Okay, so here 7 power k plus 3 is there. So I'm going to write this term is 1 power k plus 2 into 7. We can write what? 2k plus 1, 8 square. Okay, if we can add powers, you get same value. Okay, here power 1 is the if base is same, we can add powers k plus 2 plus 1 or k plus 3. Okay, we know what is this term value. This is nothing but equation number 2. 7k plus 2 equal to 57b minus 8 power 2k plus 1. Substitute here 7 into 57b minus 8 power 2k plus 8 2k plus 1 into 8. Okay, you multiply these two terms. If you multiply the two terms, we get what? 7 into 57b minus 7 into what? 8 power 2k. Okay, plus 8 square can be written as what? 64. 64 into 8 power plus. Okay, so here 64 7, that is 7 into 57b plus what? 57. So 57 into 8 power 2k plus 1. 64 minus 7 57. Okay, so we need to verify this term is divisible by 57 r. So before that, here we see 57 is alright. So 57 is common. You take outside from that equation, we get 7 plus 8 power 2k. Okay, so we don't know whether it is divisible by 57. Okay, let us consider one example. We consider d equal to any natural number, d equal to 1. K you consider any number. I'm going to consider k equal to 1. If we substitute equal to 1, k equal to 1 in this equation, we should get some answer. That answer is divisible by what? 57 or not. Okay, so 57 in plus 8 power 3. What is 8 power 3? 57 into 7 plus power 3 can be written 512, right? So that is equal to 57 into 519. So if you multiply 519 into 57, you get some answer. That answer is what? Divisible by 57 only. Now we are going to verify this term is divisible by 57 or not. Okay. For example, we consider d equal to 1, any natural number. I'm going to consider k some is k. We substitute d equal to 1, k equal to 0 equation. We get what? 7 plus 8 power. Okay, so 57. 8 plus 7 equal to what? 15, right? So 15 into 57, you get some number. That number is what? Always divisible by 57 only. Why? Because you get multiple of 57 only, right? So therefore, this term is called what? Therefore, this term is what? Which is uh, divisible by 50. Okay. So what is a conclusion? So therefore, which is indivisible by 57 only, right? So therefore, P of n, P of n is true for n equal to what? K. So by using a principle of mathematical method, we get P of n. Okay, so we get P of n is true. What is P of n? That is given for n equal to what? 1, 2, 3, up to infinite numbers.